swear it all started like a month or so ago. I was outside playing with my dog and end up he hitting my mouth and knocked my tooth out. I swear, man, I couldn't go on that journey with that one tooth missing right in the front. So what I do, actually a friend of mine told me about pop-on veneers, and I looked into it, and that was the perfect fit. That's exactly what I needed. So now I ordered. Check me out. I love the new look. If I was y'all, if y'all missing teeth, or you just want to have a prettier smile, you know, a whiter smile, check on pop-on veneers, man. I swear they gonna take care of you. I'm a week in, and I swear I love it. The most part I like about it when my daughter see me. She's 3 years old, and she tell me every day, "Daddy, you're so handsome. You're so handsome." I was handsome when I was missing the tooth too, but I'm extra handsome now that I done went along with pop-on veneers. Check them out though. Affordable, on time. You know, as you make your payments, you're gonna be good. Pop-on veneers, I want to tell y'all I appreciate y'all, and I thank y'all, man, because y'all just brightened my smile. That's what you did. Cha-ching. To each and anybody that's out there, if you just tired of that old smile, that old teeth smile look, I advise y'all to look up pop-on veneers. Check them out. They got exactly what you're looking for. You're looking for that classic white smile. Forgot the other two, but I would prefer you to go after the classic white. Put you in the game. They get you right. They have you out here smiling in people's faces that you never smiled in before. I was never a big smiler. Never was. But I can't stop smiling now. Nowadays, people tell me, "You never was a smiler. Now you can't stop smiling." I got a reason to smile now. Thanks to pop-on veneers.